Hello guys again. Today we have a new unboxing and this is new product that I see from Lidl. This is the Parkside Bandsaw model PBS 350A1. This is the 350 watts. We have 900 per minute, 8 centimeters, 20 centimeters in admission weight and height, 30 to 30 centimeters in the table area. The miter angle is 0 to 45. Bandsaw length is 140 centimeter. Band wheel diameter is 20 centimeter and some accessories included inside. I'm going to open it and we're going to see one by one what accessories is inside included. I will review all the bandsaw, what it does every area of the bandsaw, and of course we have 3 years warranty from Lidl. Power cable length is 3 meters. This plastic, it will help you not to take any fingers as you're cutting. Here we got some manual, some accessories for assembly, very nice. This is the parallel guide with quick locking. Here we're going to install it, of course, to see how it works. Is the adjustable cutting table with quick tensioning system. Here it is. Let's take it out from the box. Right here. Parkside logo all the way. Stop and start button. And now we're going to assemble this cutting table here in this area. I'm going to take out this. Take this all the way up. So we're going to install this there. The other plastic. These two we already take out. And if you need some tools, we do have here some Allen. Next we are going to install this. Tie this what you want and then just lock it. It will be nice to tighten all the screws into the bandsaw. Inside we have the housing doors with the safety locks. I will open it to see. Screwdriver. Here it is. It looks inside. Same down there. A closer look. Next we have the on-off with a dust-proof plastic. This is the parallel guide. Just release it like that. Put it wherever you want. and you will cut. This is the adjustable cutting table with 0 to 45 degree. It goes from 0 to 45. Very easy. And the second one, and you can adjust it whatever you want. And this is the adjustable saw blade, the guardrail. Just release it from here. Oh, you can do it from here. And then tighten it and lock it. Next we have the powerful 350 watts motor. Some specs. Of course, the power cord. Next is the connection for the external dust extraction. Put your vacuum cleaner wherever you have, and it will help you to take out the dust. And next we have this for adjusting your blade, as you see here. It will go tighter. From here. And this is for the adjusting of the rail. It goes just like that, and it will adjust this rail. In the end, we have this push stick. It will help you safer to do your job. This was the unboxing and reviewing of this beautiful Parkside Bandsaw model PBS 350A1. In my next video, I will do testing of this bandsaw to see how it works. Thank you again for watching, guys. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like or dislike my videos, your choice. But definitely share this video, you never know who may need it. Have a nice and lovely day.